What's something people don't know about fighter jets? The price tag. Let's break it down in 60 seconds. Fighter jets are more expensive than your wildest dreams. Just one F-35 costs around $80 million. But wait, there's more. Development costs can skyrocket to a whopping $1.5 trillion. That's more cash than a small country's GDP. Why so expensive? It's all about the tech. Stealth capabilities, advanced radar systems, and super speedy engines. Oh, and don't forget the cost of training pilots. That's another million or so. Plus, keeping these jets airborne, maintenance costs can hit $4 million per year, per jet. So next time you see a fighter jet zooming by, remember, it's not just flying high, it's burning a hole in the sky-high budget. Mind-blowing, right? Hit that like button if you learned something new, and subscribe for more jaw-dropping facts.